I'm gonna have you slide down in the chair. Hopefully your girlfriend doesn't pass out on us over
she's
here.
fine. She's fine.
Or she doesn't come and hit me like some of the kids. Leave my mom alone. Relax, dude. Nice and easy. Let's go. That's the one. Drop. We're gonna go pretty low here, okay? Drop here. Oh. That was it right there, huh? All the way back. Bring your feet out this way. A little bit more. Hug yourself here. Chin down. Slide down some more. You need to come down to Mexican height. Breath in. Chin down the whole time. Out. Walk that off. That don't feel good, huh? Walk that off, dude.
Very good.
Sit up nice and straight, brother. Not bad. We're just gonna go through everything. Not bad. Those are good. Drop. Drop it. That's it. A little bit. Sit up straight. I'm gonna clear this one out. Drop it all the way down. A little bit of your collarbone. Drop down. There it is.
Oh.
Good.
Oh.
Good boy. I'm gonna have you go on your stomach, dude.
I was like, I have to get this done before I go.
That's good, man. You made it. When
I
did you
am
book
so
this
excited.
appointment? It was this week or last week?
It was
Cause I was booked up, and then I think I had a few people reschedule.
last week, I believe last week.
I haven't checked my email and messages, but they're like calling. There's people trying to get in.
Mhm.
Oh, I'm sure.
And I'm booked, you know. I'm gonna shoot down. I'm gonna do a hard pull here.
Yep.
Keep it loose.
Oh.
Did that fall?
A little bit, not too much. Same thing here. No pain in here. Lift this one up. Keep it loose. I'm gonna set the tibia. No sharp pain, right? Gotta relax it.
Oh.
That's a little gap in there. Slide back up a little more. Drop that a little bit, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, the ACL ligament, it's deep. This is one of the hardest ones to tear in the knee, you know?
Yeah.
What does that do?
Oh, that feels so
to loosen
good.
the muscle up back here. Yeah, because anytime there's an injury in the knee, like the muscles are going to guard a little bit. We're going to put them together little by little. It's getting there.
Oh.
I'm going to come here a little more on these lower ribs. Breath in, out. Oh, those are good.
Oh. John.
Okay, so far?
We have this saying, say John, this like, that's like, oh, that's so good. You say John. Oh.
I'm gonna use this just to relax the muscles a bit. If there's too much sharp pain or tenderness, let me know so I can back off.
Okay.
I'm just trying to use this to relax everything a bit. And you hadn't been adjusted out here, huh? Bring this one up. I'm gonna come down this hamstring and we're gonna clear out the calf and the back of the knee.
Oh yeah. Oh,
Tender, huh?
oh my god.
I'm gonna get this little muscle here a bit.
Oh.
I mean, I don't know how bad that tear was. If they're small, sometimes they can regenerate over time, you know? It's just once they're big enough, it's not, you know, there's no way to heal up. But you can at least get pressure off of the knee, balance everything out.
Yeah.
We'll go one more. I'm gonna stretch you out here, dude. You're gonna grab the bars down here on both sides, slide up a little more towards your head. I'm gonna lock you in here. Table's gonna go up and down. So we're gonna do a good stretch here. It's gonna help open things
Oh
up
my god,
here.
yeah.
Oh my
He's
god.
gonna love this one.
Oh,
Feels nice, huh?
very nice.
You're gonna show up to Armenia taller, bro. I'm gonna start dunking on her for no reason, huh? You okay there?
Yeah.
Lift this leg up, drop it down, up, and back down. Relax your arms back on the pad. There we go. We're getting there, Rob.
I can feel it.
You're going to lay on your right shoulder, facing me this way, please, on your side. I'm gonna sit here a little bit. Alright, go slide down this way off the pad a little more. That's it. Relax your head on. Bend this one all the way. You're gonna come up towards me. That's it. Straighten this one here. Turn your head this way a bit. Rotate your head. That's it. That's it. Easy. Let's go other side. And here. That's the one. On your back, face up.
Oh man, Sam, you're cooler than impressive.
Oh. I've been doing this 15 years. So
I'm
I
so
better be
glad I
okay.
came here.
You know?
Yes, yeah. I'm so glad I've made the decision to come.
I think I can still get a little better though. Relax it. There you go. And here. Yeah, they didn't adjust you like this over there, huh? There you go. Bend here. Hands on your belly button. You're getting there, bro. I'm gonna do a pull with my hands here just to test things out. Lift your head up, drop it down. Mouth closed, teeth together. Just breathe in and out through your nose. What do you feel there? Not too much pain anywhere?
Stretch.
Which, it's the left knee?
Left.
You take your shoe off. Yes, good tonight.
Mm-hmm.
Or are you dreaming like you're back home? Relax it. Clear out your ankle here. Relax it. Loose. There it is.
Oh.
And this one. Slide back up a little more. Felt a couple of those, huh?
That last one just like put it in place.
Yeah, I felt it. Yeah, I adjusted 3 different segments. Any discomfort there? Yeah, I mean, your knees moving pretty good for a torn ACL.
And there's a meniscus tear.
Yeah, usually they come hand in hand. Keep it loose. Yeah, bend it. Yeah, the force required to tear that ACL, usually it's gonna get some of the meniscus as well. It's like a thicker tendon, you know?
Yeah.
A ligament, it's not meant to tear, but obviously it can happen. Can you put your shoe back on, please?
Yeah, of course.
And then I'm gonna have you lay on your stomach one more time. I wanna see where your leg like that. I wanna try to balance it as much as possible, and then we'll do the pull. Making me work,
Before
dude.
we go, I'm gonna. I'm glad. I'm making my money's worth.
That's it, dude. Those chiropractors are lazy and they don't wanna.
It's money's
It's
not even an
down.
object in this case. I'm just glad to be here.
There you go. It's almost there, right? Just a little bit. It's been out for a long
Yeah.
time, huh? One last one here. That's it, got it. Good, good, good. Go ahead and walk that off, Rob. Yeah, your pelvis was way out. The worst part is me putting the second block in. I gotta squeeze a bit. If I don't, you're gonna slide that way. We don't want that. If it's way too tight and you can't breathe, I can back off a little bit.
Squeeze it in, sir.
Come down toward your feet some more, Rob. Slide down this way. There you go. It should drop in nicely here. There it is. Let me see your hands, please. I'm gonna pull up.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Hands on your belly button. Mouth closed, teeth together the whole time. I don't want you biting your tongue with this one. You're just gonna breathe in and out through your nose. Lift your head up. Drop it down. There we go. It's gonna be nice and quick. Just in and out through your nose. One more, just out through your nose. Teeth together. That's it. There we go.
Oh my god.
What happened? It's a little shocking sometimes.
I got stretched. Full body.
What'd you feel exactly? Stretching, pulling?
Yeah, stretching, opening up like a whole side of my left
Your
side.
shoulder blade, huh?
Yeah, like left side, right side.
You get any popping anywhere?
Yeah, like all the way up here.
Okay, good.
All the way up here.
Yeah, you felt stiff though. You think you can handle another one?
Let's do it. Yeah.
I think we should. Yeah, I
Let's do
felt it stop like a resistance.
Let's do it. Yeah, I know
think
I'm
you're good.
stiff.
Yeah, let's do it before
Yeah.
your flight, bro.
I'm with you.
It wasn't painful though, right?
No,
Yeah.
no.
Come down this way.
It was
Yeah.
not.
It's a weird feeling.
Yeah, it was definitely not something I've ever had done.
Oh yeah. Come down toward your feet some more, Rob. More. This one's gonna squeeze a little more. Let me see your hands, please. Yeah, hands on your belly button, nice and relaxed, teeth together, in and out through your nose. One more. Out.
Oh, yes. went a little over
I
here.
felt that. Good.
Oh.
Oh, what'd you feel with that one, dude?
Yeah, that one was more open.
Different, huh?
That was more
That's
open.
been
Yeah.
tight for so long.
Yeah, it's like there's no pain right now.
Good.
Yeah,
Once you're ready, you walk it off.
yeah.
That was it, brother. Yeah, I felt it like stop a little bit on that first one, dude. All that
Yeah.
sitting and driving.